Hi guys, let's consider the circuit above. We are asked to find the total resistance, which is ROT, and the unknown current, which is I1, I2, and R. Remember, to find the total resistance in a parallel circuit, this is a parallel circuit, we will use the standard formula for calculating what the total resistance, which is given by 1 all over ROT, 1 over ROT, which is equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over what? R2. This is the standard formula for calculating the total resistance in a parallel circuit. So at this point, we are given what? R1 as what? 3 ohms, which is ROT will equals to 1 over 3 ohms plus an R2 as 6 ohms, 1 over 6. So let us solve the right hand side. The LCM here is 6, and 3 will go into 6 how many times? Is 2 times. 2 times 1, it will give us 2. Plus 6 will go into 6 how many times? Is 1 times. And 1 times 1 will give us 1. So now we have that 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 6. Remember, to find the total resistance in a parallel circuit, always take the word, the reciprocal of the right hand side, which means ROT, by taking the reciprocal of the right hand side, we will have that ROT will be equal to 6 divided by 3. The reciprocal means interchange the numerator and the word denominator, which is what I just did here. And 3 will go into 6 how many times? Is 2 times, so it will be 2 ohms. So therefore ROT is equals to 2 ohms. That's the value of what? The total resistance. We are asked also to find the unknown current, which is I1, I2, and I3. And since we have gotten the total resistance and we know the supply voltage, we can find I from Ohm's law, which is I equals to what? V all over ROT, which is total resistance. Current and the supply voltage is 12 divided by total resistance, which is what? 2 ohms. And 2 will go into 12 how many times? Which is 6. So it will be what? 6 amps. So that is the what? The value of the supply current. And since we have solved for the value of supply current, we are also asked to find all the value of the what? The current. So the current that will flow through is the what? R1, which is I1. From Ohm's law, I1 will be equals to V over what? R1. So I1 now will now equals to V, which is 12 divided by R1 is 3. So 3 will go into 12 how many times? Is 4, so it will be 4 amps. For I2, which is I2, using Ohm's law, it will equals to V over R2, which will be 12, which is supply voltage, divided by what? 6 ohms. And 6 will go into 12 how many times? Is 2 times, so it will be what? 6 will go into 12 is 2 times, which is 2 amps. So these are the value of what? The supply of the what? The unknown current and the total resistance in this world circuit. So that is how to find the total resistance in a parallel circuit and also the unknown current. Do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification so that whenever I upload video like this, you will be notified. Bye.